whoever that person is that you're like, wow, I really love you. Like, I have so much love for you. Talk to yourself that same way. The exact same way.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I just wanted to take you around this area. These are called the Twin Lakes. See how beautiful this place is. Hey, lunch taco. Breathe here. The other one is made like a heart. They say this is female, and the other one is male because it's made like what? I don't know. Guys, check out this beautiful place. Eh? Yeah. It's a twin lake. The same, the other one is male, and this is female, just because it's made in form of what? Of an art. It's as if this one is made like it's like a map of Africa. You could see it very well. I'm not sure. Yeah, this place is so beautiful. Stamina.